Some settings have a time off in lieu policy, also called TOIL, which means that overtime can be converted into time off. If the setting you work at has enabled TOIL on eypeople, managers and employees will be able to record overtime on the system. If your overtime is approved, you can then use your TOIL entitlement to schedule absences. You can make an overtime record through your employee app or the staff web portal. Both these options require you to have a staff login, which a manager can do for you. To add overtime through the employee app, go to the entitlements screen and tap on the overtime tab. Tap the plus icon to add overtime. You will be able to edit the overtime date and hours, but not the expiry date, which indicates how long after an overtime event you have to use your entitlement. Note that a manager will be able to change any of these details before they approve the overtime, including the expiry date. Fill out the details in the form, then tap Submit for approval. If the overtime event is approved by your manager, the hours will be converted to TOIL entitlement. On the app, you can view your TOIL entitlement from the Absences tab. On the staff web portal, overtime can be added by going to the Contracts Entitlements screen on the profile and clicking on the Overtime Hours tab. Click on this button to add overtime. On the web portal, you can view TOIL entitlement from the Contracts and Entitlements screen. Once you have enough TOIL entitlement, you'll be able to use it to book absences. You just need to follow the same steps that you would to book any other absence, but in the Type of Absence field, you need to select TOIL. This will inform the system that the hours need to be taken from your TOIL entitlement. Any absences booked using TOIL will be indicated in the calendar. I hope that's helped you understand how to use TOIL on eyemployee. For more guides on the features of eyemployee, take a look at our Help Centre.